Chris from All Guns 101, and today we'll be installing the Valquartsen 1022 extended bang release on our Ruger 1022. As you see here, that the bolt has already been removed. It's a 5mm Allen head. So once that's out of the way, we can remove the action. And of course, as I always recommend in all videos, make sure your gun is safe before you manipulate the firearm. And that what you missed there, which I forgot to mention, is the safety has to be put in the middle, as you see here. So what we're going to do is, with our 5/32 Allen key, we have one pin, which is the one that actuates here. What I've seen is that if we apply a small amount of pressure right here, which is the mag release, to remove this pin, we'll remove it completely, set that to the side, we're able to lift out the original. By magic, we've opened this box. You see here, it's just a little bit larger, not by much. Much thicker as well. We'll install bolt release in. Of course, it's very important you orientate this properly. And what we can do is, instead of looking to line it up, since we have our punch out, we can use that punch just to ease it, line up the holes. As you see here, that has also moved. So we are aligned. We both know that very well. Slowly, we'll use the pin here to place this into position, which is that plate right there that moved. Well, that didn't work as well as I wanted, so let's try this again. Release the pressure, press down here and hold here at the same time. Make sure we're still aligned. So I felt it go past. There it is. So a little bit of finesse and wiggling. Push this all the way through. Make sure your pins are recountered. And there it is, as you see in the action. It is now moving. So we can cock it back. Hold it closed. The only issue I see here right now with the extended mag release is that if you have large fingers as I do, you have your extension, release. To press on this, it's a little bit on the tight side now. But besides that, I think that's a phenomenal add-on. What we'll do is we'll take our stock, make sure our safety once again is in the middle position, insert it back in, retighten our screw, which is recommended at 20 inch-pounds. So this is where you would want to have a Torx screwdriver. There it is. Make sure it's safe. Press down. Now your firearm is operable. Please enjoy, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.